So today we're going to Waimea Canyon, which is about a 2-hour drive around the island to the other side. It's actually probably only 10 miles away, but we have to go all the way around the other side of the island because the mountains are too treacherous for a road to get through. Now, people say that this is the Grand Canyon of Hawaii, so we're gonna do a hike and then hit the rest of the Na Pali coast, which is where they filmed many scenes for the Jurassic Park movies. So we have a really exciting day ahead. What the heck?
Wow. Look back, Michael. You missed
That's
the
a
part.
canyon view right there. Yeah, pull over.
You're not. Well,
Okay,
I guess
get
you
some
could walk out
pictures.
there on that plane.
Get some
Michael,
picture.
danger, do not go beyond this point.
Wanna go
That
back
sounds
to
like an
the-
open invitation to
No,
me.
he can walk right up on that little cliff right there,
No.
Michael.
No, to the right of it, there's a little trail.
Yeah, there is. Don't
It's
go
a cliff.
too far. It's
It's
a
a
cliff.
cliff.
It says do not go beyond that point,
It's a
Michael.
cliff.
It's talking about that side, not that
It's
side.
the same. It's
Same cliff.
Wow.
True. You're right about that, Alyssa.
Nothing says tropical island like a turquoise McDonald's. You're telling me those chickens are what our chicken nuggets are made out of? This is incredible. Wow. Now I see why they call it the Grand Canyon of the Hawaii. This literally looks like the Grand Canyon with all of the red and all the little canyons, obviously. But the green vegetation throughout it makes it look a lot cooler. If you ask me, you've got the orange and the greens contrasting against each other all throughout the canyon, and it's just a spectacular view, especially from right here across from the waterfall. I can't get over this view. Alright, so we're about to hike the Awaawapuhi trail. It's 3.1 miles one way. I really wanted to do the Nualolo trail. It was 4 miles one way. Both will take us out towards the coast on these scenic cliffs. But yeah, I just want to do the longer trail to work up more of a sweat, and I thought the views might be a little bit better, but that's one thing about traveling with family. You kind of have to accommodate what they're willing to do. I've got my Survivor face mask slash headband slash neck protector. I'm ready to go. This is so muddy and slick. You'd think that you were on ice skates. And that's partially due to the fact that all of this, or most of it, is downhill right now. Should have brought boots. Who am I talking to? Just a couple thousand of my closest friends. So right now we've split into two separate groups. Me, my dad, and Alyssa, the more adventurous ones. We're way ahead of the others. And Alyssa just ran back to try to find him. She can't even find him. So they're probably just taking their time trying to get down the muddy slope.
Up on stage to bid.
How's it going?
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, how's
Just
it going?
waiting on my family.
Oh.
I just heard you talking to them.
Well, you got a nice little camera set up right here.
Yeah, I'm trying to get like all of them coming through, and I'm just waiting for like 5 minutes. So,
Well, you're really doing a good job at capturing the fam.
I know, but,
What are you doing?
I'm waiting for the rest of my family to come down. Did you pass 3 girls together?
They're coming. Yeah.
They're taking their time on the mud, I
They're
think.
like right around the corner.
Okay, great.
Mike, where are you going?
I just wanted to get a shot of all of us walking on the trail.
Okay, pick up the pace while we're. Gosh. Where's the people? There's some comments. Yeah, that first 8 miles was all right, but next 10 are going to be tough.
That was 8 miles.
What do you think? Was that shot worth it? Probably not. Isn't it funny? Because I was sitting there for 10 minutes talking to everyone coming by. Yeah, you guys just go on ahead. Leah, I waited for you guys. Now you guys just... Nice view.
I know. Keeps getting better.
Oh yeah?
You won't have too many lookouts, but because it's 3.25 miles.
Cool. Wow, this
So
is...
just use the signs.
Yeah.
Let me get out of your way. You're taking pictures.
Oh, you're good. Wow.
Put all the bottles back in.
Right out there.
All right, where's the car?
I'll send the helicopter for you now.
Yeah. Well, we made it to the end of the trail. What do you think, guys? Was it worth it?
Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah? Look at that. I mean, look at that depth.
Go down here. Grab shots.
Look how steep that is.
Production.
I've never been to heaven, but I'd imagine it's something like this. I'm not close to the edge.
Okay.
It's not like a complete drop off.
And
Yes, it is.
cut.